So I'm testing something now. I asked, I was like, okay, if I see my setup, right, three bearish candles, what if I press sell, right? I just profited 4 cents. I'm just doing little increments. I'm trying to see if it really works. So if we can enter a sell position, if it hits this shit, then yeah, okay. If it hit the second time, come on, fam. What are we doing? So just so y'all can see it. So what's going on is I'm seeing my setup, right? Three candles in one direction, no matter if it's up or down. Right now it's a bearish market for Netflix. So just those small increments, man. I went from 100 to 11 cents. I profited twice in less than a minute. So I see my setup here. Three bearish candles. Instead of me doing buy, I press sell. Now I'm gonna see what would happen if I press buy. Let's see. If I buy one share, take profit 69, 69 and 65. Yeah, you can't. Why would you buy? It's a sell position. That makes, you know what I'm saying? It makes no sense. You're expecting it to go back up. So you press sell though. Boom, press sell. Let me see. Boom. I'm gonna press sell. I'm gonna go 69.60. Let's go. 69.60 on the sell position. 69.60 on the sell position. I'm gonna set my stop loss at the most recent consolidation period, which would be 69.87. Sell. See what happens. I should have waited for the pullback, but I'm just using it for an example, really. I can adjust that. I don't want to lose too much. Confirm it. If it tap me out, let me see. I'm waiting for the boom. So I'm waiting for the. I'm seeing it here. It's a bearish trend. Netflix has been bearish for the last year. So and it's a hundo stock. 2 cents up. 2 cents up. Let me see. Now we just wait. I'm just confirming strategy. We'll wait on it. That might pop up. Yeah, they're jamming. Like, skeesh. Let's see what's going on, baby. Don't do me like that. Come on. Keep coming. So what I'm noticing is, and just off my notes here, let's see. Where are we at? Supply and demand zones. Example. All right, so it looks like here, so supply, so your supply zone is the purple zone, right? Supply equals sellers. That means the price was expensive, sellers took control, price went down. We are expecting another rejection if price returns. All that means is if price is approaching supply, like we've seen it did right here, right? Price approach supply, boom, boom, boom. Prepare for a potential put if sellers confirm. They're confirming, right? Now my account, this is a hundo stock, so I'm starting light. My account balance is $100. I profited here. Let me go to my shit so you can see it. Balance history. I profited 4 cents off the first one. It's somewhere in here. I think it was. I gotta look at it, but I profited 4 cents, and then I was like, hold on. I just saw. I didn't buy. I saw because if I buy, I noticed it was switched. The profit was high. I mean, it was on top, and the stop loss at the bottom. I want that. So I noticed. Okay, cool. If I see it going down, what if I press sell? I press sold, and this is me figuring shit out. I said, what if I press sell? I noticed that my take profit was in the direction I wanted to go. My stop loss was the opposite direction, which is where I needed it. So boom, I said, let me try it again. Profit is 7 more cents, right? So I don't care about the price right now. I don't care about the big price win. I just want to confirm the strategy. So I said, let me try it for a third time. So yeah, so I'm waiting to see it. I set it a little further out now because I'm like, okay, cool. We did approach the supply zone. It did reject. It's coming back down. So we're good. If we get a third freaking profit, that's the strategy, man. You go down, sell. If it goes up, buy. Just wait for your third confirmation candle in either direction, bro. That's it. That's it. Only other thing I would check is the trend line. Like I said, I love the trend line with the breaks. Let me see what we're looking like here. All right. Are we respecting our trend line? Let's see. Mm, we are. We're still going down. Look, boom, 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 boom. We're still respecting that trend line, so we're good. We just entered into a supply zone. Now I did ask, right? I was like, okay, cool. What if price continues past? I'm going. What if price continues past your supply zone, right? Then okay, cool. At that point, we need to go ahead and expect a, a bullish trend. But right now, it hit, boom, 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 it reversed back down as we thought it would, expected it would, and now we wait, right? So our take profit margin is 18 cents. Like I said, I don't care about the size of the profit right now. Just confirm the strategy. So let's see what happens. And don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of that stop loss, man. Don't be afraid of that stop loss. Actually, let's see if that is. Let me notate that. Let me see. Applying demand zones when the cause of position. No. Sell versus call. Sell. Three best candles press sell. Apply. Three bullish candles press buy. Simple. Fucking simple. So simple. Overcomplicated, bro. And we're buying in market, right? We're buying in market price. You see it here. And I'm doing a hundo stock. What I mean by hundo stock is the stock is less than, it's around $100. It's not too expensive. I'm just using the strategy here. Now, if it tap me out, it tap me out. But I know where my stop loss is, so I'm okay with that. Let's see what happens. If it do, then I probably lose 3 cents, but that's fine. Okay, boom. So I lost 3 cents. We just know that it works. So if you set your stop loss, you know exactly what you're gonna lose, right? So I went from 100 to 1.11, 100.11 to 1.8. So I lost, I mean, 0.08. So I lost 3 cents. Boom. I just want to confirm it, right? So now you just repeat the process. Continue and repeat the process. Do the same strategy, but wait for your setups. Like right now, don't enter. It's consolidating. We don't know which way it's gonna go. It's still on the supply side of things. Like the sellers could come and push the price back down, or it could push through. It could push through the supply zone. So just take your time. Take your time and notice what's going on. So when you're in trading view, you have what's called a trading journal. This shows you everything that you're doing. Successfully canceled, right? Boom, boom, boom. But the balance history, I really call it the balance history because it's letting me know, okay, cool, what works, what doesn't, what's profiting, what's taking away profit. So yeah, man, that's right. I'm waiting for my next setup and see what's going on. So figured it out, man. So you don't have to, and this is me just what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. You don't have to enter a contract if you enter at market price. So if you see the setup here, my setup is always three confirmation candles. We enter into the supply zone. When it enters into the supply zone, that's just saying that the sellers want to take control, which they did. Boom. So when the sellers take control, what do you want to do? You want to sell. Sellers take control, sell. Buyers take control, buy. They're literally telling you that, right? And then if you look at liquidity, liquidity is the top and bottom of price action. This is the bottom of liquidity. This is the top of liquidity. Same shit. Your supply and demand zones will literally show you the top and lows of liquidity. Right now, we're at the top of liquidity right here. Boom. Price rejected as we thought it would. And we hold on, I'm show you. And we profited. Right. I really profited 11 cents. But if we go to my balance history, I intentionally set my stop loss to lose 3 cents. Because I just wanted to confirm the strategy. One twice, stop lost out one. Don't rush back into the trade, man. Chill out. And this, like I said, this is a hundo stock. This stock is Netflix for $100. I just want to test the strategy. I don't care about profit right now. We can increase the profit anytime. Boom. So here we are. Now we're just waiting for a setup. That's it, man. You're a day trader. Take your time. You have a whole day to make money. All right. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try another method here. Same strategy, just a different chart. So now I'm on a 1 minute chart. We have entered into our supply zone. I'm just waiting for a rejection. If it exceeds the supply zone, then we'll go ahead and buy. But right now, I'm just waiting. Now I'm on the 1 minute chart. I'm not on the 5 anymore. I just want to see what I can do on the 1 minute chart. Let's see what happens. But I'm not gonna do anything until it exceeds, until it breaks through or breaks through in either direction. I'm not making a move until it breaks through supply up or it breaks through supply going down. Lord have mercy. Let's see what happens. All right, so as y'all can see, um, I didn't enter in. Well, I had to pause, but yeah, right here in the consolidation period where it's very choppy, do not make any moves. Don't sell, don't buy. Chill. Boom. Now you see the buy candle shoots up, right? Now if it surpasses or passes the supply zone, we still want to wait for your third candle confirmation in the positive bullish direction. All right. So that's one, that's two, but we still haven't passed the supply zone. Let's pass the supply zone because it still has the chance to reject. And once it rejects, the sellers win and it'll come back down. Be patient. All right, so I'm gonna let y'all have it real quick. I'm about to transition. I'm about to go to the library, so I'm gonna resume once I get there. All right, so I'm gonna just let this do whatever. But I should be in the next 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes or so. All right, so.